Hello friends, welcome to Know Your Food series. Today we are going to share you about 5 interesting facts about orange. Sorry, I meant this orange fruit. Did you know that oranges used to be called the fruits of the gods? Below is a list of 5 interesting facts about oranges that will pleasantly surprise you. Number 1. There are around 600 varieties of oranges. Number 2. Do you know which country is largest producer of orange? Brazil uses 17.46 millions of tons orange. Do you know which country is third largest producer of orange? Comment your answers below. Number 3. An orange tree grown from seed can take up to 15 years. Number 4. There are multiple health benefits in orange, such as it is high in vitamin C. It keeps healthy immune system, it prevents from skin damage, it keeps blood pressure under check, it lowers cholesterol, it controls blood sugar and lower risk of cancer. There are many more benefits. Now you know why it is called God of Fruit. Number 5. Orange peel also has multiple benefits, such as you can make tea, you can make an air freshener, you can make candies, you can polish wooden or stainless steel surfaces, you can use it for gardening, many more. Go and get yourself an orange and enjoy with your family. If you liked this video, click like, share and subscribe to channel to know more about your food. See you all in another video.